Let me see the flower hook. Ah, we use a little crochet to go through the rootstock. Let's get up. A standing needle. Long winding belt. We need to hook 10 short needles in this circle. Ah, wing. 7 good. After 10 short needles, let's start winding up. Rush a short thread. Okay, let's start pulling and find the position of the first needle. Winding out directly. Okay. Our 2 braids. The 3 braid pins. They put another shot every other frame. 1 stitch apart is not high. Draw the winding with the next stitch. Bring it out directly. Let's repeat the same hook. First, set up 3 braid needles. Then it is to draw the winding every other stitch without following the next stitch. Direct take-out coil. Dirt resistant. Okay, let's hook out this small circle. There are 5. We're going to hook the last one directly to the first one. Take it out. And then we start to hook the petals. Let's set up 3 braid needles first. And then we wind it twice. In this little hole in this circle. Hook the long needle to take out 2 coils first. They wound the line twice. Still in the same pinhead. One more time. A total of 3 long hooks. After a taste of it, we have 3 braids. Draw in the same needle. Direct take-out coil. And then we move on to the next little hole. Take out by winding. Oh, repeat the same trick. First, set up 3 braid needles. Loop the sides twice in the same subtile. Okay, we finish each petal. All of them should be drawn to the next petal. Well, it's only when you pull it out that you begin to hook the petals. Okay, then we hook to the last petal. We cut off the end of the line. Then hide the thread. We can take this little thread, hide in the back. So that we can cut off these redundant systems. After the petals are hooked, let's start with the hook. Bag. So it's just 2 laps. This part is relatively simple. We can do it with 3 or 2 braid needles. Then they all fixed. We hook 3 long needles. Ladies and gentlemen, after a long time, we will start to disconnect. Let's pull this thread to tighten it. And then when we assemble it, just throw these 2 together. That will do. If we want to. What about a smaller bud? Let's just hook 2 long needles. Okay, let's go to the next page. I use this green one with the leaves. Let's make 8 braids. Because this leaf is smaller, we don't need wire. Good. Start to hook back a short needle. Next time, the medium and long needle is wound through the rootstock and brought out. The next program is the long march. The next program is also fax. Hence a weekend is also a long march. Long needle in a program. Left, we hook 3 short needles. Okay, then we start to bud back. The corresponding place we hooked long needle. Same entry. Alright, we're in the back. 3 long needles. Okay, there are 2 more in the back. Let's hook a medium long needle. A short needle. Okay, this is a small leaf. Our guys hook a lead 7 in the position of the first frame. If you want smaller leaves, we'll get 1 less stitch, and so will the hook. Cut a long needle in the middle. Let's hook a small one now. Let's start. 7 braid pins. It will take us 7 months to get through. This is a short needle with a real wooden hook. Long needles in the second order. Okay, the third long march. Fortunately, we have 2 long needles in the back. The last stitch is the same 3 short stitches. Our counterpart is a loyalty. Yeah. The next stitch is also medium length. Next, This is a fax. Okay, this is a little smaller leaf. Good secret recipe. Flowers and leaves are relatively few. 2 will do. Let's start the assembly now. We need to prepare wire for assembly. Let's make the heart of peach blossom first. Let's take out this color more than this one. The deeper one. Which one? They use crochets. From the middle of this circle inside this pinhead. Take the thread in. Then we can take this. My name is Jane. It's as simple as the length we want. After adding, we need to reverse this wool. That's about it. And then we pick up the wire. Here's a little end. We can find this little card. Slowly put it through the live broadcast. Take this wool with you. You can fix it later. This. It's very small. We wear it slowly. We can. Okay, this line. Fold the wire in half. And then there's this thread to hold it together. Hold it steady with your hands. Then we can use this thin wire to make it home. Come closer. Clamp it like this. Let's take this out. This kind of wool. The color of this peach blossom pigment is very advanced. This color. Let's fix it. Starting materials. Take these small ends of this wool. Mix together. This must be a product. Let's cut this thread a little short first. Okay, let's fix it first. We put all the flowers together. When they're all together, let's put it together again. We can reduce this flower heart. This is a little more. We put the rest together like this. Okay, we've finished the petals. Now we start to fall. Let's pair the wires like this. Fold it in half, and then put it in the middle. When you pick up 2 threads and fix them, don't let the wire leak out. I had a taste that day. He fixed it like that. Okay, let's take this one at this time. If it's small, add it up. You can assemble it according to the one you like. This one is mine. Ordinary. Demonstration. When we are greedy, we try our best to be tied. Add the leaves. I didn't put the front of the leaf on it. So the peach blossom is finished. We can make our own style. Okay, that's all for the tutorial. Thank you for watching.